Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the financial statements from the Yahoo Finance. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the stocks of the company on your home page. Now, to download the financial statements, tap onto one of the stocks that you are interested in. And then scroll down and here you can find the option of financials. Now simply select it. Scroll down and tap on to view more option right here. Now here you can find the financial statements of the stocks, which are the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow. Now to download it, there is no any built-in feature that you can download these statements, but here is a simple trick that you can do to download it, that is screenshot. Now simply screenshot like this and you can save the data on your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can download the financial statements from the Yahoo Finance. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.